So hello again, and welcome back to the channel. So basically what I'm doing here is so this is the cold room, we call it. And you have to provide lighting inside this area. And so because it's a cold room, you have to use some kind of leather type material. So usually with cold rooms, it's going to be some type of leakage of water, damp area of some sort. And, so this is the box I'm going to be using pretty much. This is the connector we're going to be using, all weatherproof, okay? Hope you guys can see that. Yeah, so it's all weatherproof. This is what I'm going to be using to provide lighting inside of this area. And so this here is called liquid type. Basically, liquid type we use in wet locations, damp locations. So this is what we're using inside of this area here. Also to jump from light to light. Stating again, thank you also for checking into the live stream and supporting the channel. Again, the reason why I do this is because this gives me problems to get my wiring. So I'm just going to cut and make sure that the wire goes down before I actually install this inside the ceiling. So again, that's, as I said, this is called liquid type. It's called. And, yes, Stanley, big up yourself also. And again, thank you for checking into the live stream and supporting the channel as always. So when it comes to working in that locations, there's a code room for everything I do, everything that I do. So the reason, like I said, that I'm using this type of conduit type is because, again, it's going to be it's a damp location. It's going to give off dampness. So I cannot use normal wire like this on the other side. Anything that's going to affect the way the current flows. So by